I'm Lisa from Taya, introducing the 5 Shades of Grey Galentine's box for Valentine's. So inside this beautiful box, I'm going to show you the 5 different shades of gray products that come in this box. So I'm going to start with the clutch. This is a light gray clutch, but it's a bit of a taupey color, so it's great all year round. It has a little clasp over the zipper for added security, and you can clip a mask on that clasp when not in use. It unzips to 3 different compartments. The middle compartment has a zipper, and then on each side of that pocket there's card slots. It comes with a wristlet strap and a crossbody strap, so it can be a clutch or a crossbody, and you can also wear it as a belt bag with the crossbody strap, and it can also be a wallet inside of a bigger bag. So that is the light gray clutch. Then it comes with a cashmere scarf. These scarves are so soft. They are made in Germany. They are made by brushing the fabric on rollers with thistles to make them nice and soft. So they're soft like cashmere, hence the cashmere name, but they're more durable and better price point than cashmere. So comes with a scarf, and then also a pair of the touchscreen gloves. These are one size, so they're nice and stretchy. If you have larger hands, they work too. And they have a different fabric on the fingers and on the forefinger and the thumbs, so you can use your phone without taking your gloves off. And then a Jack's gray mask. These are 3 layers, so they are compliant with the government regulations. I sell a lot of these masks. A lot of people have reordered them. Lots of referrals. People have said they're their favorite masks of all their masks that they have, and they are unisex. And then I have this beautiful 100% Turkish cotton Turkish towel. They are beach towel size. They dry quicker than terry cloth towels, 30% quicker, so they don't get smelly and musty, so they're hyperallergenic. They can be bath towel, beach towel. They can be worn as a scarf, wrap, sarong, picnic blanket, yoga mat. They're great poolside, at the beach, hot tubs, sauna, gym, and they make a great gift, and they're fair trade. So they get softer with use and wear and washing. They can be a throw on a chair or sofa. So that is the 5th item, and then I'm just going to put everything back in the box. And that is the contents of the 5 Shades of Grey Galentine's box. Perfect for Valentine's.